Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Hope you are enjoying all my recipes. Do share them with your friends also. And if you have any recipe request, leave it in the comment section. I shall try to make it as soon as possible. So today's recipe is coming up from Udupi region in Karnataka, South India. We are going to make Sorekai Majjige Huli. This is South Indian style bottle gourd curry made with coconut and yogurt. It's simple, mildly spiced curry and very light on the stomach. You can digest it very easily. You can pair this with plain rice or pongal. It tastes very good with pongal also. So shall we get started and make this curry? Sorekai Majjige Huli, Udipi style bottle gourd curry. This is a mildly spiced curry cooked with coconut, yogurt and just few spices. You can enjoy it with plain rice and fried appalams. Here are the ingredients. Yogurt half cup, about 250 grams bottle gourd. Take a tender one. Salt to taste, turmeric quarter teaspoon, fenugreek seeds or methi seeds quarter teaspoon. For grinding we'll require coriander leaves quarter cup, 2 tablespoons of chana dal soaked for few hours, fresh grated coconut 4 tablespoons, cumin seeds half teaspoon, ginger 1-inch piece, 2 green chillies. You may add more if you like. For tempering, we have taken mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, Asafoetida or hing 2 to 3 pinches, oil 3 tablespoons, few curry leaves and 2 dry red chillies. Now peel and cut the bottle gourd into bigger cubes, chunks like this. Take a pan, put the bottle gourd pieces, add about 2 cups of water. We are going to boil these. Add salt as required, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon and methi or fenugreek seeds quarter teaspoon. Cover the lid leaving little gap and then bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, let us grind the ingredients. Put all the mentioned ingredients into the grinding jar. If you are a new visitor to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon. And don't forget to choose the all option so that you don't miss out any notifications. Now add 1 cup of water, close the lid and grind it. The texture should be coarse, little coarse like chutney. Put it into a bowl. This is how it should be, not too fine. Grainy texture like this. Now we'll set this aside until we start the cooking. After 5 minutes, open the lid and the bottle gourd should be done. Check with a knife, insert a knife and check. Don't overcook it, it shouldn't be mushy. And also retain the water, we are going to use the same water for the gravy. Now take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil, saving 1 tablespoon for the tempering. Once it is hot, put the ground paste into it. Saute it a bit on high flame. Then reduce the flame, cover it and simmer it for a little time. You can see the oil start separating. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring. Maintain low flame so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom and get burnt. we have to cook it for few minutes this way, because chana dal is raw and it has to get cooked. Other ingredients don't take long time. Cover and simmer on low flame. You can see now it's thick and the oil has come out, separated. Moisture is also dried up completely. At this stage, you add the boiled gourd along with the water. This way the healthy water is not discarded. After adding this vegetable, we do not overcook it. We just 2-3 boils. Remove all the excess masala stuck to the bowl also with some gravy. Check the salt and adjust. Spice level also can be added according to your liking. The gravy may look thinner now, but it thickens on keeping. Switch off the flame after 2 to 3 boils. After switching off the flame, add the whisked yogurt and stir immediately so that it doesn't curdle. Curry is ready. Now we'll add the tempering. Heat oil, the remaining 1 tablespoon oil in a small pan. Add the mustard seeds. Let them crackle a bit. Now you can add Asafoetida or hing, followed by curry leaves and dry red chillies. Switch off the flame and the remaining heat, it will be ready. Stir them into the curry. The flavors are awesome. Lot of hing goes into it. You could see hing was substantial quantity. Dish it out in a serving bowl. Such light curries are always comforting. Especially in summer, you should eat simple food like this. Garnish with little bit of tempering. And here we go, the curry is ready. So tempting. So friends, do try out this Udupi style simple bottle gourd curry. Instead of bottle gourd, you can also use some other vegetables for a change. Do share the feedback when you make it. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Happy cooking until then. Thanks for watching and check out these videos from the archives. You might have missed watching some. Bye until next.